With the end of support and development of PHONEslips, where does that leave you? After December 31st, you can keep using PHONEslips, but many of its services will no longer be available. And with all of the Windows updates continually being released, how much longer will PHONEslips work with Windows? Many PHONEslips users are looking for a replacement. Well, we have just what you and they are looking for. PhonePad. Logging phone calls with PhonePad is fast and easy. All messages you receive go into your inbox. Messages are color-coded for easy identification, and icons always show the status of each message. Each message can have an unlimited number of follow-up notes, which can be seen by other users. This makes it easy to coordinate follow-up action. With PhonePad, you can access the inboxes of other users. Preview options enable you to view message information without opening the message. Organize your messages using personal, public, and group folders. Create folders and subfolders for as many levels as you like. The extensive follow-up tools mean you will never forget to follow up calls. You can add follow-up notes, mark messages for follow-up, and mark them when they're completed. Set reminders so that you don't forget anything. And manage tasks with the to-do list. Automatically forward your messages by email, SMS, and pushover so that you can receive them wherever you are. Keep on top of everything with the management tools. Just because you're out of the office doesn't mean you can't access your messages. You can log in remotely from any location, just as if you were in the office. Why not download PhonePad right now and try it for free for 60 days? Oh, and no credit card is required. There's no obligation, no commitment. So download PhonePad now and start using it right away, risk-free.